Hi there, are you wondering how to junk a car for cash the easy way? It's simpler than most people think. You don't need a perfect car, you don't even need a title in most cases. Running or not, damaged, wrecked, or just old and tired, it still counts as a junk car to us. Junk My Car in Queens, New York. Cash for Junk Cars buys cars, trucks, vans, minivans, and SUVs in any condition, anywhere in New York City. We come to you, we tow it for free, and we pay you cash the moment we arrive. No paperwork headaches, no waiting around, no surprises. So how do you actually get started? One call, 1-929-445-5344. Tell us about your vehicle, get an instant cash for cars offer, and we'll handle the rest. What your car or truck could actually be worth. That's what the rest of this playlist is all about. Keep watching, and let's get that junk car turned into cash.